Hey there everyone, it's me, Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to share with you a ruler work tutorial today with one of our Bold Notion Quilting exclusive ruler sets. Let's take a look. I'm going to build it from the bottom up. I'm going to turn on my channel locks, or you could just draw a straight line. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take that half marking and you're going to put that down and you're going to stitch from one side to the other side. When you get to your line, you're going to stop. Line it up with the 1/2 inch line on your previously stitched line. One more time. When you're all done, you're going to come back around to the 90-degree line. Do not move your hand. And stop. You're going to take your ruler and you're going to line up that half line with the tops of your circles. If you're working inside of a block, just simply make it go to the edge of the block. Line it up and continue.